Introducing the super kit of shields for Arduino UNO, MEGA, and WeMos, compatible boards and accessories to bring your ideas to life. It includes high-quality generic MEGA R3 and UNO R3 boards with USB cables. Also included are a WeMos board, ESP8266, for IoT projects with Wi-Fi, a Bluetooth HC05 module, prototyping shields, a multifunction shield, a 2.4-inch touchscreen LCD, and a 16 by 2 line text display shield. Also included are other very useful accessories, such as a relay module, a breadboard regulator, 2 breadboards, 830-point and mini, LED, and resistor kits, plus a few sensors, DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor, tilt sensor, phototransistor, and more. Everything comes in a 2-tiered, beautiful translucent plastic box in smoky gray, super practical for taking anywhere. Ideal for professionals and students that may need to prototype applications quickly and efficiently on the world's most popular open-source platform. Buy it now.